30th of March already, so welcome everyone, members of the public, staff, councillors, members of the press. Shani is just hooking up our live stream system around the world, so welcome to everyone out there in the wherever you may be. Taupo, with a nice bit of pleasant rain for the farmers and business as usual. And the rural representative amongst us is very, very happy, big smile on her face today. So think 35 mils, yeah. Yeah, so that's great news, just well needed. Councillor Kingi, I was just wondering if you'd be able to give us a karakia for the day, please. Thank you. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. Item number 1, apologies. I don't think there are any. We've got a full house, so great to see.